Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. Now before we can play this song, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, C major, F major, E minor, and G major. If you know how to play those 5 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. And the last chord for the song is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play that string pattern now on the A minor chord. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for this entire song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro, verses, choruses, and outro, and the second section is going to be for the pre-chorus. So the first section, which again is for the intro, the verses, the choruses, and the outro, is just going to be A minor for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, F major for 8 beats, E minor for 4 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's add the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second section, which is just for the pre-chorus, is going to be A minor for 8 beats and C major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's add the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also note for this chord progression, when you reach the 6th beat of the C major chord, you're just going to choke the down strum. So it should sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Señorita. Locked in the hotel, there's just some things that never change. You say we're just friends, but friends don't know your secret ways. La la la. Cause you know it's been a long time coming, don't let me fall. Oh, ooh, you are nice and friendly, hooked on your love. Ooh, love, your smile is deadly, don't stop. I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every time it's ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when you call me Señorita. I wish it wasn't so hard to leave ya, but every time it's ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. And at the end of the song, you're just gonna ring out by down strumming the A minor chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Señorita. And that's how you play Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.